1987 Ford Ranger single cab. The 2.9 6-cylinder, 5-speed. 5-speed is 4x4, but it had the electric shifter up there. It was on the front end crash, so the chassis was bent out of shape. So everything from this truck is gonna go to this Ranger, 88 single cab, also 4x4 with the floor shifter. Gonna get painted again, completely gutted for now. 456 on the front, and I think it's gonna get an 8.8 swap with 456 on the back. Explorer diff, and maybe 5.0 swap. Not sure about the 5.0 yet. Comment if you would like to see more videos.